guys, welcome to Perfectly Reasonable Necessities. I just ran into the drill press. We're going today to make a desk clock. Now what we did was we went to the Millennium Woodworking Show. That's near here in Brisbane, Queensland, for those of you that are watching that aren't in Queensland. And I picked up this offcut of burl. That's a hardwood. And what we're going to do today is we're actually going to make it into a desk clock by adding clock face. So it's all in one unit, and I got it from a local woodworking supply store. We can get them online too. So that's him there. Close up the camera. There we go, perfect. And it's a sealed unit. There's no glue needed for these ones because there's a clear rubber seal that allows you to push it in. And it says on the packet that we've got a 35mm hole. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. So to do it, you can either use drill press like I've got here, or you can actually use a standardised drill, but you'd have to make a guide because otherwise the force in the bit will tend to wander, and it'll damage the area of the job. Now, pretty much what we need to do is situate where we like the look of it. So you can tell there, so you can put it anywhere there, it's nice and flat. We're going to put it as about middle. And what we've got to do is actually organise the size of the depth of the hole. So what we need to do is basically and just roughly look at what we're trying to do, which is mark the position of the Alright, so now you can see what I'm trying to do there. So all we're doing is just roughly positioning the watch face again, so they get dirt on the watch face. You can hold it down like that and just mark the watch face. I think it has to be roughly because don't forget you are using a drill press there. So just basically going to be where it's at. Alright, so we don't need him just at the moment, let's put him back in the packet. Alright, the belt changed, so that way we've slowed it down. So the belt changes are done up here, like I said before. When you do it, just make sure that nothing moves the way it's supposed to be, and make sure there's a good tension on the blade. Not the blade, sorry, the belt. Make sure they also rotate fairly freely. Make sure there's no debris left in there from when you've been changing it. Right, so now what we should be doing is making sure that your bit is all lined up. Clamp it down to the job, that way it doesn't go anywhere. So you can see I've got a clamp just here. So clamp it down nice and securely. Turn your drill press on, we'll see how we go. Oops. Power first. Really important to go slow so you don't bind. Even though the urge will be there to try and zip through it. So you should actually get like a really light sort of shaving off. Alright. What's the depth gauge? That way you don't crank down on the handle and bend it. Now, let's take it off. Take that clamp off. Loosen the table off a bit, because we started with the material right the way up on there. And that's what you should be left with once you're done. Let's take a little bit of working. And there we go. So we've got the makings of a disc lock. Now what we've got to do is, if we're going to make it into a disc lock, we've got to clean all this off and actually start to finish. Alrighty guys, so I've taken it from a raw bit of material to drilling the clock face in there, to adding now the clear lacquer. And again, I've just painted it so it's in situ. This is a rustic piece, it's not meant to look absolutely nutty. Dead smooth, because again we're working off the barked areas here, and I've left the bark on, and we'll see how that goes. I know you're not meant to, and I know you're meant to take it off and all that sort of good stuff. As you can tell, I'm not wearing a mask while we're doing this, so pretty much if you are doing it, make sure it's outside. And down to doing it outside is of course the dust. So you've got to try and make it in an area where it hasn't got too much loose material flying around. So that's our little clock bag in the middle. So, and just look at the bottom. Yeah, the bottom's drying nicely. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some feet on that, and that way it's up off the ground while it dries. And we hope you enjoyed this one. So here we are, there's the feet that we've got. They're just little ones of those there, and we're just going to flip the unit on its back real quick. And I'm just going to put them on before they dry. Just little cork feet. We're going to put 4 on, and then we're going to put the unit down on itself. There's a little bit of glue on the back of these. Just make sure when you do it that they are actually offset. Now I've got a bit of dried stuff there, so this is what we want, but not right now. Right. So move this around so they're a bit more centralised. There we go. So now that's up off the ground, I'll just get rid of my lovely fingerprints that appeared on there, and that little bit of stuff in there. And again, guys, you just really don't want run marks. If you can, keep an eye on it. Alrighty, and that's it. So what we'll do is we'll get some photos of that close up, and it'll give you a look at it. Alright, so again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel. It's just perfectly reasonable necessities.com. Here's our website as well, and there'll be photos and a blog about this as well. Have a good one, and we'll see you next time.